Hey, what's up? I'm Cody the Coin Raptor, and I'm here to bring you the latest Bitcoin news and my reaction to it. Today, I want to talk about the recent release of a financial statement from crypto bank Silvergate and what it means for the future of Bitcoin and crypto. The digital asset focused Silvergate Capital released a preliminary fourth quarter financial statement today, and the news wasn't good for the bank. It outlines the shift in the crypto space from a risk on to a risk off climate, which is something I've covered a lot in my videos. What this means for the bank is that it saw a massive fall in customer deposits, going from $11.9 billion to $3.8 billion, a loss of $8 billion. Customers raced to withdraw their funds and digital assets from the bank, similar to what happened with Binance following the FTX collapse. In order to accommodate these withdrawals, Silvergate had to liquidate debt securities and incurred a loss of $718 million. This is a massive loss and is 4 times greater than the bank's 2021 total revenue of $170 million. Now, as far as I can tell, they did not have to liquidate any digital assets, but based on the fact that they had to take such huge losses to cover customer withdrawals, I would say it hasn't been a good quarter for the company. It doesn't seem likely that the bank will go under, however. It still holds $4.6 billion in cash and cash equivalents, which it says will easily cover the rest of the customer deposits. Now, despite these losses, the company is still committed to the digital asset industry and doesn't see any change to the business strategy. It did, however, have some exposure to FTX based on a statement that they provided here back in November. And however, it was only less than 10%, according to this November filing here. The situation is far different from FTX, though, in my opinion, because Silvergate is a publicly traded company and a certified bank. As such, it is held to a higher regulatory standard, and it is required to release quarterly financial statements and get audited for its financial information. Now, because of this, I don't think Silvergate's going to be declaring bankruptcy or insolvency anytime soon. Finally, I'd like to say that the Silvergate stock price has suffered significantly. It has plunged almost 50% today based on this release that I've just gone over, and the selling is probably not finished. All right, so next, I want to go ahead and talk about an update to the Celsius case. So this was recently released according to a recent hearing. The bankruptcy judge affirmed that Celsius Crypto does, in fact, own the digital assets deposited in earn accounts, saying, "Who owns the cryptocurrency assets deposited in earn accounts defined below by Celsius account holders below the July 15 petition date? This is a gating issue at the center of many disputes in the case. As explained below, the court concludes, based on Celsius's unambiguous terms of use and subject to any resolved defenses, that when the cryptocurrency assets, including stable coins discussed in detail below, were deposited in earn accounts, the cryptocurrency assets became Celsius's property, and the cryptocurrency assets remaining in the earn accounts on the petition date became the property of the debtor's bankruptcy estate, so Celsius." So this doesn't mean that earn users will lose all their assets, but rather the assets belong to Celsius and will be redistributed according to a bankruptcy plan. Now, this would be more to follow as I get more information on this bankruptcy plan. In addition, the New York Attorney General just announced on Twitter that they will be suing Alex Mashinsky, who was the former CEO of Celsius Network, saying Alex Mashinsky lied to people about the risks of investing in Celsius, hid its deteriorating financial condition, and failed to register in New York. Mashinsky tricked hardworking people into investing their life savings into Celsius, promising big financial returns and claiming the platform was safer than a bank. Instead, Celsius collapsed and New Yorkers were left in financial ruin. So she announced here that she'll be suing to get New Yorkers their money back and ban Mashinsky from doing business in New York, and they will continue to protect people from the risks of investing in cryptocurrency. So that was something that just developed, that was just posted on Twitter. Very interesting developments as for Celsius. I'll try to get you guys more information as it becomes available to me. So that's all I've got for you guys today. As always, I would always appreciate a like and a subscribe if you enjoy this content and would like to see more. So what do you guys think about Silvergate's troubles? Do you have any sort of opinion on the Celsius collapse and the ruling by the judge saying that the earn assets actually belong to Celsius? So let me know if you guys have any opinions on that or comments on that. Leave a comment below, and I'll be sure to catch you in the next video.